Hi friends, I'm Charlene from stampinwithcharlene.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can make 5 different cards from one simple layout. I'll be using the Timeless Tropical stamp set and the In the Tropics dies. And stay tuned because at the end of the video I am going to show you 4 other samples and explain to you how you can get all of the pre-cut supplies so you can replicate the cards that I've made today. You'll see how easy it is. They're very fun, bright, colorful, perfect for summertime. So let's get started. This is the Timeless Tropical stamp set. It's in the 2020-21 catalog. And we're gonna be using all of the stamps that are in this set. So the first thing we wanna do with this card layout, isn't this just so fun? This is a gatefold card. So let me give you the dimensions and you can use everything I have here or anything that you have at home that would fit these dimensions. So this is the base of the card and it's just 8 by 5.5 and you score it at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8. And I will have all of the dimensions on my website. The first layer of the card is designer series paper, 2 pieces cut at 5 1/4 by 1 7/8. And I am using the Playing with Patterns designer series paper for my card today. I am going to be using the Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue. We have sold this in the Stampin' Up catalog for years now. And I always avoided it because I never seemed to know how to use it correctly. But now that I've learned that you only need to use a tiny, tiny bit, this is my go-to adhesive. So let me show you how much to use so you can love it as much as I do. Just want to use that much. Just like a tiny bit thicker than a strand of hair. And I'm going to adhere one piece to one side that's scored, like that, and the other piece to the other side that's scored. See how easy that is? And it's just such a fun fold. It's fun and unexpected. Whoops. And let me reposition that. Okay, let's set this aside and let's bring in our base piece, our layering piece, and our ribbon. And I'm going to tie the ribbon. I think this is about 16 inches of ribbon, and this is also from the Playing with Patterns ribbon combo. Just gonna tie the bow here. Once again, just use a tiny bit of the multi-purpose glue and adhere to the top like that. Then be careful, this part is really important. Turn it over, but you only want to put the glue on one part of the back. If you put it everywhere, it's not going to work. Okay, so just put it on one side and adhere it to the front of the card. And look at that, we are almost done. So now you want to use the bottom of the pineapple and die cut out the bottom like this, and then just remove all these little pieces. Just scrunch it up and get all those little pieces out. Okay, then you want to take this piece of patterned paper. This is from the In Color paper pack, and just put a teeny, teeny bit of the glue. Just that's all you need. And you want to just put this down on here because we want to give some dimension and a background to the bottom of the pineapple. And then what I'm going to do is take my paper snips and cut around. Just cut around so that the bottom of the pineapple or the back of the pineapple has some dimension, like that. And then for the top of the pineapple, we want to cut out with the die, we want a granny apple green and then 2 crushed curry tops, like I did here. And then just to here, the bottom of the pineapple, to the front of the card. The tops. And now with this top, I used dimensionals to attach that. You're going to use this die to cut out the flowers, and you're going to get 3 flowers from each color that you use. But you're only going to use 1 of each on this card. This is really important. I need you to save these because you're going to use them in another one of the cards that we're going to make. So just lay them here. And then using the Playing with Patterns resin dots, you just take whatever color you'd like, pop it off, and stick it on top. And there you have it. Then for the sentiment, on this one, I just used hello on the bottom, but you can use whatever you want, and that is how easy it is to make. So let me show you this card and the other 4 that you can make with the pre-cut supplies. There's this one, same layout, completely different look. Look at this one, also the same layout. Everything is the same except for the things that I lay on top. This one is Great Masculine card. And finally this birthday card. So for more details, you can see the supply list at the bottom of this, and you can look at my blog, stampinwithcharlene.com, for more details. Wasn't that fun and so easy? So I am offering all of the pre-cut supplies, so you can either use the Timeless Tropical stamp set and the In the Tropics dies, or you can use whatever you have at home that would fit these dimensions. So in order to get the pre-cut supplies, visit stampinwithcharlene.com, and I explain on there that if you place an order of $50 or more and use the special card class hostess code, then I will know that you would like to get the pre-cut supplies. You can place an order of any amount, but I need to know that you would like to get the pre-cut supplies, so you have to send me an email just to make sure that I know that this is what you would like. Charlene@stampinwithcharlene.com. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thank you for watching, and let's get stamping with this great card kit.